Many agency owners just avoid looking at the numbers, and doing this exercise would change everything for you. All you need to do is write out how many number of messages you send a day, how many of those messages receive a reply, how many of those are converted into appointments, and how many you actually close. Now you would get these rates, right? So first one is the reply rate. Here in this case, it's 50%, and the schedule rate is like, this is a made up rate. Okay, so schedule rate is 20% and the close rate is 2%. Now what you need to do is you need to focus on close rate and try to double it down, right? So basically you have to make it 4%. So for example, in your case the reply rate would be way less than the 50, right? So you want to increase the reply rates. There are two methods: either find better people to send your text to who relate more to your messaging, or either just increase the volume here. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that once you write these numbers for your own agencies, you would know that what numbers you need to increase, what actions you need to take so that your business generally improves, right? So if schedule rate are less, then you know that people are not interested into your offer, or your offer is not good, that would excite them to take an action, right? So this is where you can work into this thing. And finally, when it comes to the close rate, you can understand that you do not have the right portfolio, or you are lacking your sales skills, and you need to improve those. Now, all through this journey, right, just writing these numbers here, you got to know which area of your business, which area of your sales cycle you need to improve. If this number increases just by 10%, which means 6 people would be coming here, right? 60 people would be coming here. And because you have, let's say, the schedule rate being 20%, I don't know, I guess this would be 12 or something. Just by adding 5 more people, you are closing now 3 clients. So now your MRR went from 2x to 3x, right? So close rate went from 2% to 3%. Basically, writing down these numbers would actually enable you to have a bird's eye view of your business, figure out what is that place that you need to change or take extra action, and then do that action, execute those actions, and just focus on increasing the close rates, right? So if your close rate is less, you know what to do. If your schedule rate is less, you know what to do. But if you just don't know what these numbers are, it's just impossible to find out what's working and what's not, what's wrong, what's that one wrong thing you are doing.